Okay, next we'll study about the resonance. Okay, basically, what is resonance? Resonance is a condition in which XL would be equal to XC. What is basically XL? As you already know, XL is basically the inductive reactance, right? And formula for XL is 2 pi FL. XC is the capacitive reactance and its formula is 2 pi FC. But in resonance, the frequency is different from the normal frequency. That's why its frequency is denoted by FR. FR means the resonant frequency. Okay, so I'll denote it by FR and FR over here. If I'll solve it, can you tell me what would be the value of FR from here in terms of L and C? Right. Okay. So this is the frequency formula in case of resonance. Okay. Now next condition, like this is first condition. Next condition, if XL is equal to XC, then impedance value would be equal to R, right? Because what was the formula? Z is equal to root of R square plus XL minus, if XL is equal to XC, then it will come Z is equal to R, correct? Now in this case, Z is impedance, that is minimum, correct? If impedance is minimum, then current would be maximum or not? Okay, so this is third condition. This is fourth condition. They will rarely say that this is the condition of direct resonance. They'll always tell you indirect. Like they can give you this thing, they can give you that impedance is minimum, and they can give you current is maximum. Okay. Another thing which you need to know about the resonance, that is quality factor. Remember in the series circuit or in the parallel circuit we have uh, read one term power factor, right? Can you tell me what is the formula for the power factor? Or okay, so that depends which triangle is given or which term we already know. Quality factor is formula is 1 by R root L by C. Okay, or we'll have another formula, voltage drop across L or C divided by the voltage across resistor. Okay, so voltage drop across L and C would be I into XL or I into XC divided by I into R. So if I'll consider I and I would be cancelled, again it would be XL by R or XC by R. If I'll substitute the value of XL, XL is equal to omega L. Omega is 2 pi FR L. Now if I'll substitute the frequency, resonant frequency value, then ultimately we'll get this formula. Okay. Why I told you over here power factor? Because some of the students get confused in power factor and quality factor. Always remember quality factor will come under the condition of resonance only. Okay. These are two complete different terms. There is no relation like direct relationship between these two. Got it?